come everything looks so green today?
Start making the pancakes by adding 2 cups of cell-raising flour into a mixing bowl, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm using natural stevia here, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoon of matcha powder. Mix all the dry ingredients until all combined. 1 cup of soy milk or cow's milk. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Vinegar will give you the fluffiest pancake ever. Mix it well until there's no clumps. To make the pancake, heat a small pan over medium heat and drizzle some vegetable oil. Make sure you turn the heat to low before pouring the batter onto the pan. Cover and let it cook for a minute or so. Then turn over the pancake and cook for another minute. Serve the pancake with whipped coconut cream and fresh fruits or your favorite nuts. Add 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds into a glass jar or a bowl if you're not feeling like a hipster today. Then 1.5 cup of almond milk or cow's milk, 1 tablespoon of rice syrup or honey, and the most important ingredient, 1/2 teaspoon of matcha powder. Mix it up with a fork so you can get all the chia seed at the bottom of the jar. Let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. Serve the chia pudding with yogurt or whipped coconut cream if you're a vegan. And don't forget your favorite toppings. My favorite combo are berries and sliced almonds. Start by adding 2 cups of raw oats into a large mixing bowl, then followed by a cup of mixed nuts, 1/4 cup of shredded coconuts, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon matcha powder. 60 ml melted coconut or vegetable oil, and 1/4 cups of sweeteners, and my favorite hands down is the rice syrup. Give it a really good mix. This could take a while because everything is so sticky, but it's a good excuse to work your biceps. Pour the mixture into a light baking tray and make sure you flatten it out with a spatula or a spoon. Bake it for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees or until it turns golden brown. Once you take it out from the oven, let it cool for at least 2 hours and then you can start breaking it up. And now is the perfect time to add your favorite dry fruits. Cranberries or sultana go pretty well with this recipe. And if you're a green tea addict like I am, sprinkle a tablespoon of matcha powder over the top and you won't regret it. Granola can be stored in an airtight container for up to 4 weeks. That if you can control yourself from eating from the jar. It's seriously addicting.
Wow. It's healthy, but it's quite nice. This is honest opinion. Like, Right, you try to make it pretty, but put in a bowl. Put in such a small like bottle. See. And then am I supposed to reach all the way in the bottom, and then take it up? Oh, see how to eat like that. Wow, this one. Ayo. How come everything looks so green today? This one looks. I don't know. In honest opinion, I wouldn't order this if it's on the shelf. It looks like rotten burger, roadside burger from Malaysia who has been sitting there for 3 months. Texture is good, and then the taste, I think, suitable for all people. Not very sweet. That's it for today, and remember to subscribe and yeah, I'm thinking of opening my YouTube channel, but definitely not reviewing food like this. It will be very unhealthy food. So if you like my idea, give me a like.